Hey guys, we're going to quickly change out the battery in this Audi key fob. This specific one is from an Audi A3, but if your key fob looks like this and has 3 buttons, then this video will most likely work for you too. For this, we're going to need the key fob itself, a small flat-headed screwdriver, as well as the replacement battery. The batteries you need for this fob are the CR2032 lithium button ones, and I'll leave a link in the description to point you in the right direction. First, take the key fob and flick out the key itself. With that out of the way, you'll see inside the fob, and there's a small little tab that holds the back door casing closed shut. Take your screwdriver and insert it into the hole, moving the screwdriver down slightly, which pushes open the door ever so slightly. Once that tab is released, you'll want to come round to the back of the key. Now you can see on mine someone else has changed the battery in the past by putting the screwdriver in here and slightly damaging my casing. If instead you work from underneath the silver part, you'll be able to apply a little pressure to the tab under there without putting the screwdriver on any visible parts of your casing. Put your screwdriver into the little tab and then just gently prise it open, finally releasing the door. Inside there, we're presented with the battery we're looking to replace. Take your screwdriver again and just pop that battery out like so. Then grab your nice new replacement battery and reverse the process. Slide the battery back into there, easy as pie. Pick up your key and put the door back on by first lining up and fitting the 2 side tabs, clicking those into place, and then just apply light pressure again to the top and it'll click back shut. Bob's your uncle, fannies are on, and your key fob is ready to roll again.